Hi guys, and today we are back na naman, and this is Jane Shala. At medyo malabig-labig ngayon kaya baka mamarinig yung boses ko nagiginig. Malamig na nga, maglalaro pa tayo nito. Anyways, so maglalaro tayo ngayon ay today's video is Mulberry VHS Hey. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaro, of course. Syempre, diba nga, mas maganda pag first time. Kaya ko ba to? Gosh. So, huwag na tayong mag-ano-ano pa at i-start na natin to. And, yeah. Kamusta nga pala ang house niyo dyan, guys? So, actually, mag-isa lang talaga tayo. Headphones. Use headphone for best experience. Syempre, mag-ano tayo, full volume tayo. Malakas tayo, diba? Malakas tayo, boy. Malakas tayo. Only play during night and indoor ko. Madilim naman yung kwarto ko, so why not? Lock your door and check your closet. Hey, yo! What do you mean? Kinakabahan na agad ako. Wala pa naman eh. Volume 1. The Miller House. Wait lang, guys. The document missing person cases in 1995 was 34. Oh. In just 2 months, that number had increased to what the 508. Hell nah, bro. This number does not include the other 12,000 report. Oh my gosh. The state has issued an emergency broadcast for us.
Good afternoon. On Friday, July 18th, the Mulberry County Police Department received a call from David Brown, who reported strange noises coming from his backyard at 2:37 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Upon arrival, police encountered a large, pale creature, approximately 8 feet tall, showing signs of extreme visual and auditory sensitivity. Before the creature fled into the woods, Officer Terry Smith was able to capture a photograph of the creature, which we will now show on your screen now.
Hey, yo, creepy.
We strongly advise all residents of Mulberry County and the surrounding areas to lock your doors and secure your homes. An 8 p.m. statewide curfew is in effect until further notice. Please note that this creature is not alone, and under no circumstances should you attempt to approach these creatures, which experts are now calling fallen angel.
Basta sobrang takot ko dito na mas lalo kong lalamigin. Oh, no, wala pa. Wala pa.
Good morning, folks. It is a beautiful Saturday here in Mulberry County. The weather outside is 82 degrees with sunny skies. Expect temperatures to drop tonight to around 26 degrees with light rain. In other news, world-renowned biologist Alan Fletcher has gone missing this past week,
Malag tayo.
leaving many to question
Malagta.
his well-being.
Wait lang, hindi. Okay. Creepy ng house. I can't remember anything. My stomach is killing me. I should get something to eat. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. May ilaw ba dito? Ayun. Uy, wow! So pretty. Ang ganda ng graphics. Eat something. This bag of chips could be... No. Oh, kailangan natin mag-click. ASMR. I hope the burger wasn't expired. Ba't mo kinain kung di ka sure? I bet some water hit this spot right now. Where's the water at? What was that? I remember now. Last night, mom and dad left for a weekend. The whole thing was so sudden and uncursed. Wag natin i-wobble kasi para hindi ako maganda. I'm no, I'm no little kid. I've been 24 for 4 months now, and they still treat me like a child. I wish I could be here. I wish I could be with them and help. They left a list of choices. Okay, take out the trash, feed animals, and do your homework. Where's the list? For Henry. Oh, so we're a male. Lalaki tayo. Take out the trash, feed animals, and do my homework. Hindi ko nga ginagawa yung homework ko. Tapos ako, gagawin ko to. Yes!
Hey, dork face. I heard your parents left last night.
Hmm.
Me and the boys are gonna pass by your house on our way to Trevor's later. Looks like we'll be paying you a little visit tonight. Later, nerd.
Are they friends? I don't think so. I cannot stand that guy. At least Chris will be home tonight if Benson comes home.
Hey, Henry. I am going to be home late tonight, like real late. Remember to keep the horses this time. You've almost killed them.
Oh.
Anyway,
They will
I'll
probably
probably be asleep when I get home, so I'll see you tomorrow.
End of message. To delete this message, press 7.
I guess na mag-isa lang siya niyan. Is Chris like a brother to him? Like, kuya niya ba yun? Okay, take out the trash. Where are the trash? Okay. Take out the trash. Oh, so pretty outside. Ang ganda ng labas. Ew. Medyo maganda mag-live dito, pero maganda lang siya sa umaga. Pero hindi siya maganda sa gabi. Kasi imagine mo, no, nasa gitnaan ka ng forest. What is that sound? Bro, drop something! Ay, joke lang. What was that? There are some strange papers. They appear to be highlighted, classified. Fallen angel. Hell no. Okay, let's go inside kasi nga, 'di ba nga? That fucking door was creepy, bro. Ang creepy ng door. Since when ko to sinarad? Binuksan. Can I close this shit? What the fuck is that? Okay.
Child. Anyway, so
I'm already having like a creepy vibes. To. Close natin yan. So we're gonna do our homework. Not gonna lie. Ang creepy talaga nito. What is your name? My name is Henry. It's 2 times 2, 4.
A few moments later.
Nagkamali tayo ng isa. Dahil, ano yun? Math. I could use a snack break. We're gonna go downstairs. Nandito pa ba siya? Wala na siya. It's already fucking night. So, gabi na. Gabi na siya. I'm gonna turn out all the lights, of course. It's getting pretty late. Yeah, you should go to sleep, bro. Ito. Sarili kong gawa, sarili kong takot. The phone. Oh, I bet it's Benson. Feel ko si Benz. Sana ako lang talaga yun. What do you mean, bro? That was strange. It sounded like they were outside. Oh, don't fucking tell me, bro. Don't ever... Oh my god, please lang. Don't tell me na lalabas tayo. Ay! Gulat ako dun. Saan yan? Investigate. Don't tell me we're gonna go outside, bro. Nalabas pa tayo. Oh my gosh. Oh, ayoko na. This game is getting creepy. Hinaan lang natin yung volume kasi hindi ko kaya. All cleaned up. I don't understand what caused this though. Baka si Benson, bro.
Stupid bitch.
Finish my homework. It's a little tired. I guess I want her to take a rest. Huh? Hello? Have you been tired lately? Yes. Do you believe your life has purpose? Yes. Our thoughts are what define us. What do you mean? Every last person on this planet has... What's that? Has chip made or thought. I don't know if that's... Hindi ko alam kung chip ba yun. There's only one exception. Who? Would you believe someone in your life if never told a lie? No matter how exaggerated their claims, I suppose. What was that? Harry, you do not have much time. Sino kausap natin? No matter what happens, all that will ever matter is whether you believe or not. My bad. Do you see it? Hindi. Meron ba? It's in the tree. Where? I'm not gonna say home. Do you know what this is? I don't know. Something new? We can see it through the glass. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So, hindi tayo mag-isa. Hindi tayo nag-iisa. Is that? What time is it? Ay. Ala, nakatulog si Ante. Aro. Lalabas tayo. Yoko na. Lalabas tayo. Wait lang, maglalagay ako ng unan sa likod ko. Eh. Naglalaro tayo habang may kumot, syempre. Dahil, baka hilain tayo. Grab the flashlight. Ano yun? Pakainin lang. Okay, pakainin lang. What was that? Answer the door. Like, bro, ang creepy ng laro. Paano kung hindi tatayim dito, stranger? What is that? Na. I bet. Why are you so far away? Ang pangit na mukha niya, ang creepy niya pa. Tignan yung mukha na yan, no? I-wanted nyo yan, ah. You have a very nice... Oh, no. No. Kilala ko na kung sino siya. Siya yun nasa phone. Oh. Oh. I stood behind the door speechless. I could hear rustling everywhere. Eventually, it all went quiet. Okay lang ba si Henry? Like, okay lang may character natin? And then I realized what was happening. That face looks so familiar. He's such a loser. Why me of all people? Baka naman close kayo. Bully ka, nabubuli ka talaga. I'm going to ignore him and be the horses. Oh my gosh. Lalabas tayo. Wala na makahabol sa atin dito, no? Mabait po ako. Oh, shit. Shit. Nope. Search! Hindi na! Ba't ka pa magsa-search? Hala siya. Ba't kailangan mo pang i-search, bro? Di mo mamatay ka na, hay. May tanda na nga mo kay... Probably in the forest. Yeah, forest, bro. Forest. Ang laki ng forest nyo. So, sa krus, ika'y namatay. Nabuhay muli para mundo'y ligtas. Tinga baka. What the fuck is that? Hello? Hello? Guys, kung nakikita nyo, normal lang ako naglalaro. Pero yung phone ko, ang layo na sa screen. Ay! My gosh! Oof. Ang layo naman. Bakit ang layo? Pwede mo naman irason sa Lah. Grabing pat naman to, boy. Ano yung tunog na yun? Mabait po ako. Mabait po ako. Please po. Mabait ako. Gusto ko lang kunin yung mga kabayo. Ano yun? Should hurry up. Yeah, hurry up, bro. Ano yun? Ano to? Oh, it's a dead end. Someone killed the horses. Yeah. Ba't ang bagal ko? Oh shit. Ang bilis natin. Ang bilis natin maglakad. Oh shit. Ang bilis natin maglakad. Okay na yan. Maganda na yan. Mabilis maglakad. Pero boy, please, give me a warning. Give me a warning. Hindi ko na kaya. I-distract natin yung sarili natin kasi ayoko magulat. Bakit pa kasi natin sa nilaro? Bakit naman kasi, ba't ko pa kasi naril ko sa sarili ko to? Alam ko naman may mga ibang game pa dyan na hindi naman masyadong nakakatakot sa lalaroin ko. Tingnan mo yun, naglalakad tayo ng lakad dito sa forest. Tapos ano yun, pagbalik natin, mamatay na tayo. Tapos nandiyan na naman yung matanda. God, ba't mo pa kasi kinuha yung kabayo? Pwede mo naman iwat, tapos irasam na lang sa papa mo eh. Oh my gosh. Please don't fucking tell me, Mary. Oh. Maybe Benson is good. Girlfriends are still thinking. Ba't puro prank? Boy, kanina ka pa talaga na ano. Search the house. Dami mong dada, matulog ka na lang. Ito? Lock. Yeah. Ano? I wonder what is inside those files I found. Okay. Let me just close the fucking door. Okay, come on. Yeah, the curiosity. Just find it. Patulog ka na lang kasi. Patulog ka na lang. Patulog ka na lang. Bakit ang ano mo kasi? Ano kasi tawag doon? Ang chismoso mo. Kahit din ako bubuksan ko. Okay. Attention, the following information beyond this page has been deemed classified for any person without recognized the ELC clearance identification. The corporation with the Baltimore County Department of Domestic Affairs and the United States government. Its own media provided is under protection from Bill 117 Business Privacy, Public Exclusion of Scientific Affairs. Any person found in violation of this law would be found guilty of domestic terrorism and listed for termination. What is this? Section 1. The following summary events of information was written by Dr. Alan Fletcher, date 2/01/1997. Month of unorganized experimentation were take to place with an ESA Capitol building. After the success of Project 12, large quantities of flesh shipments were ordered from anonymous foreigners. Search the current location of the assorted biological matter is currently unknown. As 17/30/1997, ESC and her sister companies has been pronounced bankrupt. All government funding has been erased. Babasahin talaga natin lahat to. The location project is unknown. The current location is... The rest of the papers are locked behind the rainforest. The information is the fallen angel. What is this? Password. Exit. Maghanap tayo ng code? Yeah, it seems to be incomplete. I assume a lot of burned up somehow. Let's go downstairs, watch this videotape. Sarado nga natin. Diyos ko. Mananamig tayo for more experience. Don't fucking tell me to enter the basement. Ano yun? Malakas tayo, di ba? Go. Go, 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 go. Oh my God. Parang tanga naman eh. Jeez. Yung puso ko. Okay. Bring out the following footage without proper authorities is punishment by law. Any person found guilty will be fined $500 or strictly terminated.
This is not a test. The Mulberry County and United States government have prohibited unauthorized viewing, distributing, or replicating of the following footage.
Following footage.
Congratulations. If you are viewing this training tape, that means your application has been accepted. This tape will explain the different wildlife you can expect to encounter while on duty.
American black
If you
bears.
come across an American black
Uh-huh.
bear, keep your distance and log its location. You may be required to change your current route to avoid them. Do not
Hmm.
log the location of cougars. Simply walk away and continue your search. When you come across a coyote, log its location and create a new file if one does not exist. You are required to follow a coyote as long as possible.
Lost person.
If someone is lost, quickly assist them and continue your search. If you spot any suspicious individuals, report the individual
Hindi
to
naman
your
niya siya
dispatcher.
nakasuspicious ah. Baka may missing person din nata siya. Ano ba humanoid? Shit, sumayroon tayo sa bahay. Chorus key. What? Yeah, strange. Okay, balik na tayo. Okay. Ano yun? You still don't remember? How could you forget? Forget what? Henry's special day. Today was a special day. Today we went camping. I love camping. I'm confused naman ng larong to. Six 17 a.m. 6:07. Ay, ko lang yun. We woke up really early this morning. It was important that we left early. We did not want it to be dark when we got there. It was really long ride. Oh. Mom told me to turn off the camera. She said it and very important that Mom and Dad had been at battery to capture something. Okay. 2:44 p.m. We were driving for a very long time until we met Daryl. He is friends with my dad. I was able to record some things he said. Ooh. Totoong tao to. Looks
Take
like
this
it.
camera with motion detection. It will outline any areas where it senses movement up to 200 feet. Be careful tonight. You know very well how dangerous this can be.
Hmm. "8:03 p.m. There's something off about we set a camp and roasted s'mores. But before it was alone for bed, Mom and Dad had to stay up real late. Here's a picture of our campsite. Mom and Dad took a lot of pictures. They spent a long time taking pictures and working. I will show you some of the best ones. Saan? Not bad. Nakaka-enjoy yung sound, by the way. May something ba nangyari kay Henry? Or may... It's odd, because it's about Henry na. Mom and Dad were working all night. They didn't get what they wanted. Eventually, they went to sleep. To 3:21 a.m. Oh, it was midnight. I woke up to someone calling me. Only child lang siya? Wait, ayun ba nilakaran natin? Eh yo, may nakakapture yung camera. Oh, go for the long time. The voice was very far away. The voice stopped. Kailan mo kasi puntahan yung voice? Ba't kailangan puntahan yun? Oh, it's a fucking record. Oh. Malapit siya. Malapit siya! Ano yan? Oh! When should I go for it? And then go back to bed. Huh? It followed us home. Oh, you have to capture something. Uy. Uy. Bakit nagbukas yung bintana? Naririnig ako may naglalakad. Kinakabahan ako. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Did you see it? Yeah! Did you see it? Nakita ko talaga. Please don't tell me zoom in mo. He got inside. Una pa lang oo eh. Bike. Ano to bike? Oo. Naglalakad. Namatay yung ilaw dun. Oh, what is that, bro? Look at the face, man. Please, tapos... Oh, creepy. Ang creepy. Siya. Oh my gosh. You have been here before. Huh? Ano yan? Ano yan? May sinasabi siya? Naintindihan niyo? Kung naintindihan niyo, sabihin niyo nga sa akin. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what is that? Hindi ko gusto yung vibe na to ah. Sa mga nanonood ng gabi dyan, warning ko na sa inyo to. Late mag-warning. Uy, nag-loading. Huh? Naglalaro tayo. Oh. Okay. Uy, ano yan? May jump scared to. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! No. Oh no. No! Nope! Hindi tayo mag-investigate. Oh, why? 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 Oh. Sarado mo. Bro, nandyan siya, oh. Okay. Umihi pa ang tao. Uy! Ano yun? What if he died? He died. Saan? Saan? Saan na closer? Oh my god. Ano meron? Gosh. Oh, takot na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Ano meron? Oh my god, bibilis na siya. Focus tayo, focus tayo. Lakin. Guys, ano meron? May bilis na yung dad. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Are we safe? Oh. Ang bilis. Nabuhay tayo? Nabuhay tayo! Ilaw kanina. Find Chris. Wow! Paano yung bahay? Ay. Baliw. Paano nag-start to? No, I found it. Ano? Saan? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Search to confirm. Oh my god. Tao ba yan? Coming, Chris. Please lang. Chris?
Henry, don't worry about me. Get to the car now.
Oh! Oh my god, tatakbo tayo. Takbo! 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 Bilisan mo! Ang bobo. Get up. Wait. Oh! Oh, what is that? Matapos, natapos nga natin. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. It was actually really good. Nagustuhan ko. Yes. So, yun na nga guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click that notification bell. Oh, sorry. Click that notification bell and I will see you next time guys. And sana nagustuhan nyo talaga yung video to. Alam ko medyo boring pero okay lang yan. Tiniis ko yung takot para sa inyo. Oh my God. Anyways, so yun na nga. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Go. Bye!